What's up, YouTube? Back today with another trade. Today hasn't been the most productive day, to be honest. So far, it's like 1:30 now, and I haven't really done anything. But I'm not gonna let that affect me. We're gonna get in. We're gonna do what we came to do, and that's it. So first of all, I wanna see. Should we continue going higher? I feel like we probably shouldn't. I feel like we're kind of in between, and I feel like we could definitely go low. There's a big old thingy there that needs filling. There's a big old gap that needs filling. So, to be honest, I'd like to come in. Actually, I don't know. Maybe we'll take that low in order to go higher. However, we did just take that low and we've pushed higher. So that was only an hour ago. So we'll see what happens. I do think that we've got all these. I don't think we've got all these highs. Obviously, we've got all these highs. But what I was going to say is I think that these should all go today. And to be honest, I feel like once this one's broken, I feel like we could take all of them. I feel like if we could come below this, maybe tap in here or down here, it'd be a really nice setup. So let's just see. News just did its thing. It's tough when you trade the news in it, so I don't really think that I want to take anything inside of here for now. We're just going to wait. I've also been rereading this Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas, bad boy book. Read the whole of it. Just thought I'd come back and read it again. It's getting my head like ready to go. So yeah, the long wait begins. I'm kind of 10 minutes early for this session. So we'll see. I'm just gonna message my friend back on Discord and see what's happening. Hustler's Ambition, come on. See what RD is saying as well. Signals are slow in the RD. I'm sure it'll pick back up for them now. Yeah, it's a really nice trade that. Alright, so let's get CTrader open. And I'm gonna do it how I did it yesterday. I kinda liked having the two thingies set like that. So we're gonna go with that again. Set that to 5 for now. No, it's just a waiting game then today. As it is every day. Um, what is he trying to? Oh, he's trying to use it. Oh, so what is he using? Oh yeah. Was it dollar index? Oh, but it's flipped, isn't it? Command and I. Look at that another time, I think. I am thinking that this has already took liquidity. So honestly, with that, maybe we're just gonna start pushing higher. We inverted that. We've bounced off it twice, so this actually could be a little long. It's too late for me to spot that though, unfortunately. Oh, TVC. Alright, let's get some piano music going again. Quite enjoyed that last time. Oh yeah, hot drink actually. Question actually for myself is that once we get above this height, are we looking for shorts? I don't actually know the answer to that. I feel like yes, but I still think we should possibly commentate this low before we come up to that rise. But we put a lower low in constantly. No, looks like we're reacting off this little fair value up there. I feel like we might come up and take that high and maybe drop after that. That'd have been a really nice little quick scalp though. Inverting that. Came back down, respected. Now respected it. Inverse fair value up there. Looking like we might close past it. It's nice, it's not for me though. It's only 1 minute structure, there's no other backing. There is targets obviously, but there's no other backing. Right, just waiting there. I do think we will commentate these lows though. Actually, yeah. That's what I think. I'm actually quite confident in that. Weirdly. I don't know. Not really now, we didn't close past it properly. Let's get my checklist out again because I don't want to be taking stupid steps like this. It is an obvious, and it's not a singular fair value, but it's obvious. Liquidity taken. Yeah, we've got a lot of chop there. Looks like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Didn't respect the PDA. There is a clear drawn liquidity, and there was momentum coming out of there. I'm not going to take it, but I would take this. If I could put less risk on the table, I would take that. Just target that low there. That's what I'd take. I'm pretty confident in that move actually. But like I said, I'm not going to take it. eczema on my hands, man. Really rejecting this, struggling to break through it. That kind of gives me more idea that we are just gonna break through it though when we decide to. I feel like a good skill to have is like sticking to what you say. Because even though I actually really think that this will go, it's not a high probability setup for me. And it's kind of similar to what I took yesterday, but yesterday had the higher time frame, all the blocks pushing me down as well. This doesn't. And that's partly one of the reasons why I don't think that this should. That I want to take this, even though I do think that it will go. It's kind of the power of three. Like, I'm getting better at seeing these power of three things, where it's accumulated. We manipulate into a PDI, take liquidity, and then when you come down and you take the bottom of the range, like, I'm just kind of starting to see that model a bit more now. And then obviously inverting fair value gap is the entry. It is still rejecting that other FVG as well, which is obviously the biggest thing fighting against us. I do still think it will go though. There's not enough confluence for me to take it. That's why we're not in it. Still just gathering orders. Ah, man. Inside the macro as well, you know. Just hold this until 10 past. Hold it to around there and see if we take the lower. Bring that volume now. got me thinking, was this in line with my rules? There's an obvious single fair value gap, liquidity taken, kind of, yeah, we took the range liquidity, internal. With respect to the PD rate, we kind of didn't, but we kind of did at the same time because we tapped in and just immediately dumped. In line with a higher time frame, drawn liquidity, yeah, because I was saying I feel like we should take this low. Got a clear target. Maybe I should have been in this. And I'm sitting here confidently watching it like, yeah, I know this should hit. There we go. Still got 5 more minutes of this macro. It's also a really good sign when we invert a fair value gap and also create a fair value gap as we invert it. Like that's always a really good sign. I feel like this high is coming next. Maybe this whole the whole range of these lows are coming next. But we're gonna wait this out now. That's nice though. Glad I saw that. Even sitting here watching trades and not taking them is building my confidence, because to see that, like, I really felt confident that was gonna go. In hindsight, maybe I should have. I just kind of wanted a bit more higher time frame, like back in as well, which we didn't have. closing that fair value up there. Right, I'm making a hot drink. Because now I'm not really seeing anything. Until we can break them lows. It's interesting. So now we took that low, we're making a small time, we made a fair value gap and respected him multiple times. Maybe we'll coming back up to fill that. watching this print so much more than just back testing, where they just drop the candle in front of you. I just need some milk in here actually. Okay. What are we looking at here? Just trapped. We're still in this range. Alright, nice. We took a high. We have took a high. Tea. Okay. Also, the interesting thing about accumulation, manipulation, distribution is like it's kind of got to be relative to what we're looking at. Because I was looking at this thinking, there's a bit of accumulation there, and it is. So that's why after this manipulation, above all of them, I was thinking, okay, if we come back down, that's why I drew out that fair value gap. Obviously, in hindsight, not even in hindsight, but it's not the biggest fair value gap to be inviting. But my point is, it's got to be relevant. Like, if that's the accumulation, there's no way that this is the manipulation now, because it's too big in comparison. And the reason that I felt confident in seeing this low get taken once we inverse this is because that accumulated, and all we did was took it above straight away. I feel like the manipulation should just be a quick, swift move like that. Look, boom, straight above, boom, straight back down below, and then we start inverting fair value gaps. So I was like, okay, to me, the next target's that low because that's the low of the accumulated range. I don't know, that was just my idea. Now, I don't really know where we're going because there's not enough info, there's not enough information telling me. I mean, we just made it. No, we haven't made a fair value gap. We're looking like we could, but I don't think we will per se. I still think we should come lower. I do. I feel like we're gearing up to come lower. We keep putting in lower highs. Like high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. I just think that we're gonna come lower. But I'm not gonna take a position lower for now. There's no setup for me. Do I wish I took that front one earlier? Yeah, of course I do. Am I still proud of myself for not taking it? Yeah, I am actually. I actually am. I rather am. I could definitely do some full days on these charts as well. I know I could. That's nice. Came below, tapped into this fair value here. Now we're coming higher. Looking like this might be the next target. Still nothing for me. Oh. I think we probably did make a fair value gap on the 5 as well. Yeah, we did. Oh, look at that. Even more so, we tapped into a 5-minute fair value gap as well as a 1. Really nice. If that would have been an inverted, if that would have been a fair value gap here coming down into that, I possibly would have jumped in that, you know. This is nice. I took that high already with a lot of volume. Looking like we might take this one as well. I don't see why we wouldn't. Looking like price might be making up its mind as well now. I wonder actually if we would have took that. If there's any. Well, yeah. Like I'm saying, if that was an IFVG, then yeah. get in there. We already made you 1-to-1. I don't see why we wouldn't take this high now. Nice, clean. Hold on. Let's see, because we've actually now started breaking up this range. Still don't like it though, I'm not gonna lie. I don't see shorts until we hit above all of these highs. Unless we see a 1 minute setup. But we'll see. I just don't see the short opportunity at the moment. There's probably PD raise to the left. I'm sure there is. Target one has been hit. I'm so tired today, bro. I forgot to track my live trading. I don't think I really need to do that, to be honest, because I'm going to do it every day anyway. people getting in here, long and short. A lot of people. So they're just building these orders up. I do actually really love like the idea of Power 3. Look, how it just occurs everywhere. There's one right there. Small, really small one, but it's the same. It's exactly the same as this. Like there's a PD array that's just left untapped. Price starts chopping. It comes down aggressively into that PD array, respects it, comes out even faster. Bang. And there's the job done straight away. Yeah, it's the same as that. Look, PD array left, chop, comes back, taps into it, instantly rejects it, bang, takes the low of the range. Obviously that takes the high of the range instantly, but it's the same kind of principle. Oh, why do I just want to sit and watch a film all day today and eat shit? Oh boy. Smoke some weed and make some music, baby. Accumulating heavy at the moment. Possible short. Go in there now. Not for me, but I could see why we'd sell if that was the thing. Don't know though. It's just ranging. We don't really know. We haven't respected any like beauty arrays per se. Have we? Or have we? 7, 2, 1. Okay, we're inside the order block at 7:17. Just interested now to see why we're behaving like that. Okay. Yeah, so why not? What are we looking at here? Small fair value. Tapping into. About to close past it actually. So it did take liquidity, it just inversed the fair value, but it's tiny. Possibly could short it that fair value gap there. It's not for me though. It's really not for me. I could see why though. Accumulated, took liquidity there. Now we're coming back to balance. Fair value gaps. Heavy selling. Is that it? Did we just tap into that though? We did. No way. That could have been your target right there, just that low. You could come lower still, but that would just be your low hanging fruit target. south. Looking like we could take this low now. Probably will. I've just realised that I've actually missed a decent looking little trade here. It's kind of exactly what we did yesterday. It was a 15-minute fair value gap. Where did we tap into it? It was made there. And then the same again, look, 5-minute fair value gap. As well as an order block. Came in, tapped them all. And then look, singular, bloody singular inverse fair value gap. So I've just realised I've just missed a decent trade there. We could have got in right there. Maybe like one of these, I don't know. Let's just say it was there. The stock could have been below the low. Target 1-1, we would have hit already, or we could have targeted them highs for 2-1. Never mind. Oh yeah, I did not see that, which is annoying because I should have been like I must have. Yeah, I did forget to be jumping back and forth on time frames, which is definitely something that I should have been doing, but never mind. So we kind of watched 3 decent trades today take shape. In fact, I did watch this come down. I don't know why I didn't think. I don't know why I didn't put 2 and 2 together and see that was the next move. But yeah, there you go. We're looking like we're taking a bunch of these targets now anyway. And I only have 5 minutes left of my trading session, so I think I might call it a day here. Having said that, could see a big move happen. Oh no, we really could see a big move happen, so I might actually just stick around for a little bit longer. We're really not far from that high being taken. I can't believe I missed that. I really can't believe I just missed that. Oh well. Too busy looking for power 3 setups, and I didn't take into consideration the thing that I'm actually looking for, which is fair value gaps and inverse fair value gaps. This is exactly the setup we took yesterday. Very, very similar. Coming down and tapping into a bunch of stuff on the 1, tapping into something on the 5, tapping into something on the 15, respecting all of it, and then getting our entry, which is there. And now actually I understand why big fair value gaps are important to be the ones that we take, because when you look at 2 charts next to each other like this, you realise that there is real discrepancies in the prices that each broker's giving you. Like, it's got an overall idea, so overall logistic, but there is like a lot of movement in both of these charts. Come on, we've got to take that over high as well, surely. Gotta be taking that over high. It's nice, we'll come down, tapped into that. That's gone now, that's gone now. Good few trading opportunities today. I've kind of first 2. Okay, yeah, fair enough. This one, I can't take that. like, as much as I was confident that could go, I'm just not gonna take that. Let's be honest with ourselves. Like, it's a nice move, but yeah, it's just not gonna happen. First one of the day though, I could have definitely took that. This one here. And then obviously this one that we just missed. Yeah. Even this was kind of interesting, just seeing that come down. Would have liked to see an inverse fair value up there, but beggars, they can't be choosers. Beggars them can't be choosers them. I might actually call it a day on this. Really nice price action today. Clean, not too much messing about. I'm loving trading on the one as well. I just feel like there's so many setups, there's so many times that you can get in. It doesn't take long for your TPs to be hitting. Man, I don't know whether to stick around. It's quite a way to travel. I mean, 100, what's it called? What is it? It's not, it's like 10 pips. Oh, it's really not that far away. 7.5 pips. I kind of get scared with them bigger moves though. Like when there's so much to consider, when there's so much when we're looking on the 4 hour and stuff like that, it's like and then you looking at 1 hour rejections, it's kind of like a bit intense. Close past. Yeah, it's gonna close past, isn't it? Don't really know how you put your stop on this. Too small of a move as well to take. It should hit there. gotta hit. It must hit. Right, I'm gonna write lot sizes in here as well, so I don't have to keep 2 books open. Nice reacted off that Fair Valley. This is kind of nice as well that we didn't just instantly take this high, because I feel like it's just going to build up a little bit more liquidity for us to short. Closed on that one, didn't it? Take that away, I don't need that. Oh, I don't know whether to stick around for this trade now. Nice flip. Still just respecting that that Fair Valley gap. Small little Fair Valley gap, but we're respecting it. Man, why have I not been trading Fair Valley gaps my whole trading career, trading time? Order blocks. I don't know why I thought order blocks were the ones, but they're really no match for Fair Valley gaps. Like, Fair Valley gaps are the fucking ones. I understand now why so many people jump on Fair Valley gaps and trade using them. It's no comparison. Here we go. Should hit that with volume, I feel like. Once we take that first high, we should take both. Just bang bang. Come on, hit that high. Take it, you're so close to it, just take it. who's selling here, really. Unless I see it as some sort of kind of support or resistance or something. That's resistance anyway when it's above. Here we go. Here we go. Gear up for it. Man, it's really gathering orders, isn't it? Whole range accumulating. Stuck in between there and there. See, this is why you don't just take tiny little scalps to there with bad restore ward, because it's just like, this shit happens. It's just, what the fuck? Really? You're still not taking that high? Are you kidding me? If we take this low, then I might take a long up there. If we take this low and create an IV FVG. I just don't understand why we haven't took that high yet. Yeah, we could really take that low as well, 703. That's to close the gap. We close the FVG. No fair value gap, 915. Shit. Oh, bro, that would have been so peak trying to take a long to that high, and it just does that after. That's fucked. Even there, like that as a target, he just still hasn't hit. It's just like, what the fuck? That's fucked, man. Just to squeeze a little extra juice out of it as well. Don't really have anything on the higher time frame though. The reason why this is happening. Still trapped in the range, look. Didn't break above that high, didn't break below that low. Honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of this. Even if we take this low, respect this fair value gap and push higher, I'm not the biggest fan of it. Because we're so high up, like, why haven't we took that yet? And we're getting quite a bit of momentum coming lower. Like, we could really just come all the way back down here. I don't see why we would, but we could. Okay, this is what you would kind of want to see as well. Look, we're ranging, and now we're just ranging just before we break out of this range. It's got to be these lows that are next to go. Yeah, there we go. And now it's going to be a reaction from taking that low. What to expect. We have got a fair value gap here. It's not the best though, because we've got one above. I don't like this. Really don't like this. No, I'm logging off. I don't like this. I feel like it might present River Long, but it's really not a confident place to be buying from, so I'm done for the day. Peace.